Okay, here's a Tilly carb that I'm cleaning up. I wanted to explain to you the difference in the needles from some of the carb kits you can get. And here is an example. Here's the old needle and seat from the carb. If you can see the needle has got no tip on it. And now if you look in this package, I can get her out here real quick. Oh, okay, so this is the new upgraded needle. It has that little, kind of like a little notch in it, and tip. And there's the new Vgroove compared to the old needle lever, bar meter. And that's the new one. So the notch fits obviously in the fork. So what it does is when the diaphragm goes up and down, it lets fuel in, it lifts it. Before it used to just rest on top and always stick, eh? So that's if you ever want to cure a problem for a TILLOTSON or TILLOTSON carburetor. Tilly, this is the key. A lot of the Wiseco kits have this upgraded needle, which is good. And also wanted to tip when you're changing it out, make sure that you clean that seat perfectly. It's almost better to get a whole other seat rather than put a new needle in, because it'll stick. I should see the other video on cleaning the needle and seat, which is he uses a Q-tip and a bit of brass polishing compound with a drill, and lets her go. So that's my tip on the without this new needle and seat, it's just it's basically too unpredictable. So right on, take care, hope this helps people out. I know it's a little bit fast again. Like I said, there's the original on the right, and there is the upgraded needle, and there's the upgraded metering bar. So you can see the difference here. As you can see, so there's a big difference. One, the needle sits inside the groove, like so, and it forces the needle to open. Before, it never used to force it to open. So there you go. So basically, it fits in like so, but the other way, and the diaphragm will be, see, it's locked in place, so when it moves, it always moves. Before, it used to move, but that could be stuck up in the seat, not give you any fuel. So I hope this helps people to the explanation of the upgraded needle and bar meter on TILLOTSON carbs. So when you're looking for a kit, make sure to try to get this system instead of the old system. And also a new a new seat, which is the seat which this fits in. So basically, if you take this apart, take this out of the way, this part out of the way, there'll be a nut in there. You take that out, clean that up good, or get a new one. Recommended to get a new one.